Magandang hapon po ng Friday, December 29, 2023. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng Friday, December 29, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng December 29, 2023 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM result of Ultra Lotto 658, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Friday, December 29, 2023. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 is 566 million pesos and Mega Lotto 645 jackpot price estimates is 21 million pesos for December 29, 2023, Friday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for Friday, December 29, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.